Hello, students. I am now moving, moving on to lesson number 3 of this unit, and today we're going to look at more specifically at solids, liquids, and gases, and not just water form. Now we're going to look at all the varieties of different forms. So, first I'm going to go over some different words to describe solids, liquids, and gases. So, usually I'd brainstorm in the class some different ideas, but I'll just come up with some of my own. So stable, still, firm, motionless, and hold shape. That would be a solid. All those words describe what a solid is. Holds its shape, just kind of like this key, for example. Solid as it comes. Liquid, words to describe it: flows, drips, wet, and takes shape of its holder. A great example of this would be this water bottle. So it's taking the shape of the amount of it that's in there is taking the shape of the bottle, and yeah, it can be manipulated still, showing you how the particles, like we talked last time, still move around a bit. So, words to describe a gas are free, pouring, fill up space. Sometimes you can't see them, and really difficult to control. Very difficult. They're so difficult to control. I don't really have an example here for you, except just the air around me right now would be a great example of a gas. Now we're going to move on to some examples of solid. Varies from anything, right? A computer, the desk, this knife, stapler, all solids. Good examples of liquid, this water here, milk would be another good example. That's not all the liquids I got around here right now. Gases, some good examples of gases. Clouds, like up in the air before, like we talked about. What else? Carbon dioxide is another great example. Yeah, there's multiple examples of gases. I'm sure your creative might come up with them, and I'm sure you're going to be able to understand them through the multiple choice sheet that you have to do as well. Which I'm going to have to remind you, there is multiple choice sheet plus another question that you're going to have to complete for next class. And I would also like you to send me 3 pictures as well of a solid, liquid, and a gas that you've seen on the trip. They have to be different from the water ones that you sent me last time. And yeah, part of you sending these pictures to me is just to make sure you understand the concept and to also see how your trip is going as well. So that is pretty much everything I wanted to go over for this lesson. And yeah, tomorrow is lesson 4. So thank you for watching, and see you later.